Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft dragon surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Ender Dragon surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take the corners, I'm going to line them up like this, and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to give them another nice fold just like this, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when you open it up, you have these nice little guidelines in here, and I like to turn my paper this way so I can open up my surprise fold. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making the nose of our Ender Dragon. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a little rectangle shape. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, we're going to come over, and then we're going to go down right here. Next, we're going to draw a line right here that's going to come down a little bit at an angle. So we're just going to start here, and we're going to bring this down a little bit, and then come straight down here. Now right here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then we'll do the same thing here. Let's make a line that comes down, and then we'll do the same thing here, just come down, but not quite as far. Next, let's draw a line across, and then we're going to bring this line up just a little bit like this, kind of at an angle. Now, starting here, we're going to make a small rectangle shape right here, and then the same thing here. We're just going to go up, over, and then down. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then at an angle and then straight down. Down an angle and then straight down for the part of the nose. Now, starting right here at the top of this part of the nose, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. So we're going to begin right about here. We're going to come up. We're going to bring this over. And then we're going to bring this down to about here. Next, we're going to bring this line down past the fold and then connect it here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down at an angle, and then we're going to come straight down. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line kind of like across and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. And then same thing over here. We're going to go up, over, and then down for the horns. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. We're going to come down at an angle and then straight down. Now, right here, we're going to make the eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over. Then I'm going to come down, over, and then down right here. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over. I'm going to come up. We're going to go over. I'm going to come down and then over. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then I'll make a line that comes down here. Then I'll make a little square shape right here. Same thing over here. We're going to make a line that comes down, another line down here, and then a little square shape right here. Now, my next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once we open this up, we have two halves of our Ender Dragon, and we're going to draw the inside part now. So now the first thing is over here, I'm going to begin by connecting these two lines. So we'll start here, and we're just going to make a nice line that comes down all the way to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Let's make a nice line down. And then we'll do that same thing right here. So we just drew three really long lines right there. Now the next step is we're going to draw these lines down a little bit. So I'm going to make a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line up and I'm going to bring this line up here. Next, let's connect this line. And then let's bring this line right back to here. Do the same thing here. Let's connect this line. And we'll bring this line down to here. Now, from here to here, I want to draw another straight line. So we're just going to make a nice small line, and we're going to come right down to here. And then I want to draw the fire coming out of our Ender Dragon's mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make just a bunch of kind of like geometric, pointy little shapes like this coming all the way to the end of my paper. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to start down here and make some kind of really pointed geometric shapes all the way to the end. Now I want to make some teeth in here. So I'm going to begin right here by making a little rectangle shape here and another one right here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes up at an angle and then straight up at an angle and then straight up. We'll do the same thing here, make our two little square rectangle shapes. But then this time we're going to draw a line that's going to go down at an angle and straight down at an angle and straight down. Now let's continue on the mouth. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to jump over the fire and come right to here. Then we'll do that same thing here. Another line straight down, and then right to here. Now I'm also going to make some little kind of like geometric squared shapes all around here to make it look like little parts of the fire are kind of going all over the place here. So we're just going to put a few around there. Then inside here, I'm going to draw a line that comes here, and then a line that comes right here for the neck. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and then down. Then a little line that's going to come down to here for a spike. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Ender Dragon Surprise Fold. So when we have it all closed up, we just have our little Ender Dragon face, and then when we open it up, he is blasting his fire. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.